Hey guys, a young lady contacted me to recreate my Curly Loc Hawk. So this is it. So if you wanna see how I got this look, stay tuned. I didn't want to miss this step because obviously it's crucial. This is me using the Wrap-a-Locs in my hair to get my curls. I'm adding the oil just before I separate, and then this is how I get my curly locks. Now I do have to give it a couple of days so that it drops. I have my hair, it's kind of like old curls. I wanted to give the full experience, but in order to do that, I'm gonna have to retighten my locks, and it's not quite time to be retightened yet, but it is not freshly done. The products that I feel you need is Scrunchies. I got 4. I also suggest hairpins. I'm just gonna spray my hair. I'm gonna use some oil. What you wanna do is get 4 ponytails from the back coming up. So usually I like to go from ear to ear for the back. Now the second one, I kind of want to go up a little bit, like a triangle. Okay, so that's 2. For the third one, I'm going to take out a good portion for the front. And now for this one, do your ponytail. Line it up with the other ones. For the front, bring it up. I like to have some hanging. I'm gonna leave the bottom one. So here's the fun part. It's literally just trying to line it up and pin it. I'm working with this one right now. So what I'm just gonna do is put it in a way where I don't see any space, but you see the curls. So I just put my hand there, take a hairpin, starting at the top, and I'm just gonna pin it towards ponytail. I'm gonna take one from the top. If I look right now, you see how there's a few out of place. Sometimes, because it's locks, you can just take your finger and stick it somewhere and it should stay. Now, if you feel like it's too loose and there's stuff like are hanging out or whatever, you just take another hairpin. It's all about hairpinning. As you can see, I just kind of piled it up. What I want is for it to be all in the center. So anything that's loose, I'm literally trying to pin up, push my finger to make it go down. When I look sideways, I want to see somewhat of the mohawk going down, moving to the bangs. Again, my hair was a lot shorter. I think I did something like this. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna try hide it like that. Don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll see. Again, hairpin. So I'm gonna first try to get it from in there and bring it. And then I'm gonna do the other side. I folded it down because I wanted to not have so much up. Maybe I might have some of this coming over, I'm not sure yet. And then I'm gonna take a few and kind of bring it up. And then you just play with it, to be honest with you, how you want it to go. Do one more. Ooh, all right. I think I've done as much as I'm willing to do, so let's take a spin, okay? Hopefully I did a good job. Wait. when I look in the mirror over on this side, I'm like, no, there's things that need fixing. So now you just play with it until you like what you see. Now, the one thing that I am not showing in this video is obviously freshly done curls, and had I done that, then my mohawk would be a lot more curlier than what you see it now. But just keep in mind that when you do freshly curls, it would be tighter, it'll be up more, and you'll still be able to play with it, but you'll get the same results, so hopefully this works. Yeah, now if you wanted to not have this, you would pretty much do the same thing, just pretty much pin it up. But I like to have it hanging. But that's it. So hopefully this helped. Hopefully I explained it well. Hopefully you got to see everything. I know the lighting is not greatest, but this is a LocHawk. Let me know what you think. Till then, see you on the next video.